Almost fell. Hey Dave, sorry. This is my poker analysis project. On my left are all of my classes. They're all the ones you'd expect, except for card visual. This class is what I use for visually outputting each card with SFML. I think the biggest challenge that I had to deal with for this project was just wrapping my head around it all in the beginning. It took me a good minute to understand like what each class was for, especially with the last two, with poker score and card hand score. But once I was able to kind of like figure it all out, it was kind of smooth sailing from there. One breakthrough that I really had, which made my life a lot easier, was in my was a function that I made in my card hand class called sort by rank. And this class just kind of sorts all the cards in the hand from like lowest rank to the highest rank. And essentially just made implementing all of my like bool functions of checking for which hand is met a lot easier. Let's see. And then another challenge that I had to deal with was for checking a straight or a straight flush. Because for both of those hands, it would require consecutive cards. And checking for consecutiveness was kind of tricky. And so what I ended up figuring out was I went back to my card class and I added a number to each card that like resembled the rank in like an integer form from like 2 to ace. And with that, I was kind of able to like determine consecutiveness. And so yeah, in my main function, something that I wish I was able to kind of clean up, because it wasn't too much of a challenge, it was just something that I'm not too happy about, was when I was drawing the card objects. And so I have about like 100 lines of like card visual, object declarations and like text declarations. And like it's a lot of lines of these, and there's a lot of lines that are drawing them in the window. And so I wish there was a way that I could have say like kind of clean this up a bit, but it is what it is. And so let me run this for you. It was also like really tidy, like a lot of really tedious work in trying to like position and format like 50 card objects and 10 text objects. Damn. Over 3 minutes. I'm sorry, it's gonna be over 3 minutes. Alright, so here we are. I couldn't find a way to like clean up this decimal here. But yeah, that's something I wish I could have done. The probabilities kind of check out. And the totals are also here in the terminal. I ran this about 500,000 times. Where'd it go? So yeah. Sorry, this is gonna be about 4 minutes. And so yeah.